I'm Chris Whitehurst. This is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's going to be a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is actually episode 136, and we're going to be talking about being a qualified and ready seller. This is actually part one in a two-part series. Next week, we're going to discuss being a ready and qualified buyer. What makes your home ready to list? There's more than plenty of lists out there that'll help you get your home prepared, but are you personally ready to be a ready and qualified seller? Do you have any equity in your home? Do you have enough money to cover the closing costs, the commissions, and the taxes? I give my clients an estimated seller net sheet as part of their listing presentation so they can see what a full price offer really looks like by the time everything is cleared. You need to make sure you can cover those additional expenses. Has your home been inspected? There's another big part here. If a deal falls apart, it's almost always due to an issue with a home that's surprising and spooking a potential buyer. Things like pest and home inspections will cost you up front, but will more than pay for themselves in peace of mind and smoothness of transaction if they're done up front. You know the concerns up front, and those repairs can be done or at least disclosed before we take the home to market. I believe in this so much, I actually offer a discounted commission if you get those homes inspected up front. Number three, do you have money for repairs? The likelihood a buyer is going to ask for something to be fixed is almost inevitable. I've seen deals die over just a simple $1,000 repair because the sellers didn't have the money to make it happen. Back to the beginning of the process is where we go, and that caused a ton of heartbreak. Sometimes a small repair is worth it just to keep things moving forward. A bonus here, do you have money for the move? You won't have access to your funds until after the closing. Where are you going? Do you have money for your moving expenses, storage, and for your next home? Take that into consideration. If you like these videos, there's plenty more over on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. I'm on most popular social media sites. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.